Hi. So in today's video, we would learn something about emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, as we all know, is the ability to recognize, understand, manage, and utilize emotions effectively in oneself and others. Emotional intelligence, or EI, is closely related to mental health. And let us see how are they interconnected. When we have to regulate our emotions or manage emotions, high emotional intelligence involves the ability to regulate and manage one's emotions effectively. This can help reduce the intensity and duration of negative emotions, such as anxiety, anger, sadness, which are often linked to mental health disorders. People with high EI are better equipped with coping up strategies to handle stress and adversity, reducing the risk of mental health issues. And in self awareness, emotional intelligence is very much beneficial. Being self aware means recognizing and understanding one's emotions. This awareness can lead to early identification of emotional problems and prompt seeking of help or interventions. Self awareness contributes to a better understanding of one's mental health status and can motivate individuals to engage in self care and seek professional help when needed. High emotional intelligence enhances social skills, which helps building strong, supportive relationships. Having a robust support network is a protective factor against mental health problems. Good communication skills fostered by high emotional intelligence can improve the quality of relationships and reduce feelings of loneliness and isolation, which are the risk factors for emotional health issues. People with high emotional intelligence are often better at managing their stress levels through techniques such as mindfulness, relaxation exercises, and problem solving techniques. Lower stress levels contribute to better health. And high emotional intelligence contributes to resilience, the ability to bounce back from setbacks, which is crucial for maintaining mental well being. Empathy allows individuals to connect with and understand others, fostering a sense of belonging and reducing feelings of isolation. So, this social connection is vital for mental health, and emotional intelligence enhances empathy. Empathetic individuals are more likely to provide and receive emotional support, which can be beneficial during the time of mental distress. High EI is associated with experiencing more positive emotions and fewer negative emotions. Positive emotions can enhance mental well being and act as buffer against mental health disorders. When we recognize and address negative emotional patterns, all this can prevent the development or worsening of mental health issues. Then EI helps us in adapting behavior, certain kind of behaviors, as EI allows for greater emotional flexibility, enabling individuals to adapt to changing circumstances and recover more quickly from emotional setbacks. Individuals with high EI are often more aware of the importance of healthy habits, such as regular exercises, good nutrition, adequate sleep, all of which contribute to mental health. So, by fostering emotional intelligence, individuals can improve their ability to navigate life's challenges, maintain healthy relationships, and manage stress effectively, all of which are essential components of good mental health. So, we have now seen how mental health and emotional intelligence impact each other. And if we have a greater emotional intelligence, our mental health will be kept intact. So, if you like this video, please don't forget to press the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel till now, please do so.